हामी हाइकिङ जाँदैछौँ दामी घाम लाग्छ यो चाहिँ सिम्बल के भन्छ यसलाई थाहा भएन तर हामी सानोमा चाहिँ यस्तो खेल्थ्यौँ क्या स्कुलमा यस्तो क्या यस्तो गरेर यसलाई जुधाउने खेल्थ्यो क्या यो यस्तो जुधाउने खेल्थ्यो कि यस्तो अंगुर खेती तर अंगुर छैन साइन मुस्क्याट ग्रेप $150 हाफ सेकेन्ड और एबव स्पेशल प्राइस रे 150 यहाँ त बबाल फुल्छ होला नि त अहिले नफुल्या होला नि त अंगुर टिप्नको लागि तपाईहरु सीसीटीभी को निगरानीमा हुनुहुन्छ पुरा फार्मिङ भइरहेको छ कस्तो हैन यहाँ बस्नु पाए त आनन्द हुन्थ्यो नि क्या रमाइलो ठाउँ क्या यहाँ त आलु लगाएको छ क्या हो बबालले हैन माइलियामा कहाँ जाने हामी आन्टी
कहाँ जाने नि अब जङ्गल
दामी हैन ठाउँ त कहिले आएको चल 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 चल
ढोकर हिँड्ने त होला नि खुट्टा सुट्टा नफर्कोस् भनेर के पो अड्किनु भयो आज
लु त अलिक उकालोपछि फोटो खिचौँ त हल्का एकछिन जान्छ
ल आन्टी ल चढ्नु न चल्दा बल्दा हजुरै हो
आन्टी जानु मास्क खोलेर
I couldn't give you a warning, but I felt it all over me. I hope you come where I'm going, babe, my hands are free. Falling so hard, swimming through stars, and maybe that's alright. I'm feeling you. Every single way I'm feeling you. Ain't no other way. There was a time I this, but that was when I was younger. Didn't know what I had, I missed. I'm feeling you. Every single way I'm feeling you. Ain't no other way.
I don't know. I just remember it being so much brighter, I guess.
Cigarette ash like wildfire, burning holes in the night time. Open scars could like barbed wire, white lights flying high like a ceasefire. Dropping flags on the shoreline. This is as far as I can feel right. 'cause what you don't know can haunt you. And all we ever wanted was sunlight and honesty. Highlights to wanna repeat. Let's get away from here and live like the movies do. I won't mind when it's over. At least I didn't think for a while.
Don't drag it out. Living like that doesn't mean a thing.
So let's run, make a great escape, and I'll be waiting outside for the getaway. It doesn't matter who we are, we'll keep running through the dark. And all we'll ever need is another day. We can slow down, 'cause tomorrow is a mile away. And live like shooting stars, 'cause happy endings hardest to fake. Yeah. Sunsets and power lines, making a break for the other side. Heading out to where that sunshine, 45mm rolling like we lost time. Polaroids and outcasts, rather burn out young and grow fast. And we could be forever future bound, 'cause all I need is time and now. And I could leave this past behind me, and maybe I'll see a way for me to stay when there's so much out there. So I'll live forgetting for the time being, and I won't mind when it's over. At least I didn't think for a while. So let's run, make a great escape, and I'll be waiting outside for the getaway. It doesn't matter who we are, we'll keep running through the dark. And all we'll ever need is another day. We can slow down, 'cause tomorrow is a mile away. And live